Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share how you can create a travel map animation video without using complex tools. So without wasting our time, let's get right into it. Open your browser and head over to this website. Click on Create Video. You can type different locations to add them here. Instead of this, you can type your trip details as well. Click on Export. Let's preview the result. Now you can click on the export button to save it on your system. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.